Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix control center not showing on lock screen on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just open up the settings menu on your iOS device. Now what you need to do is just simply open the Face ID and passcode and then enter your iPhone passcode. After that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn on control center under the Face ID and passcode. Now go back to home screen, lock your iPhone and then try to open control center on lock screen and see if control center is showing this time or not. So guys, you can see that the control center is showing now on the lock screen. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.